So hey guys, welcome back. This is Saman Gupta. Welcome to Traders. So today we are going to do the analysis of Nifty and other commodity trades. Okay. So starting with our Nifty chart, we can see the Nifty is currently at this level, that is 26,177. Okay. So the important point to be noted here, that is we have closed above the 26,000 levels 177. And did you remember the last weekly expiry what I have said? You just see here on the weekly time frame. You can see the weekly chart also. We have closed above the previous week's highs. Okay, you can see the previous week closing or previous week's highs. We have closed everything above, and which is a very important and very good scenario for the Nifty. So tomorrow we break highs. Okay, so most probably we are going to see a very good, or we are going to see a good rally in the coming days if we are going to break this highs upside. Okay, so currently you can see the weekly candle is inside previous candle, and we are going to break outside. So tomorrow again in the daily time frame scenario, okay, if we go above this highs, okay, above what, which level, 26,233. Okay, so we can witness this up to short covering move, and we can rally the previous highs to be broken, and after the previous highs we can see up to 26,700 levels or so. Okay, that I am going to target if market is breaking the previous highs. Whereas if market is breaking the previous low, so you can target this gap. Okay, the gap which was to be made, the gap which was made day before yesterday, that was can be filled by tomorrow, as tomorrow is the Sensex expiry. Okay, so in the same ways, if we are going to see the Sensex chart, so you can see the Sensex. So Sensex, if you are going to witness here, you can see some gap here as per the gap trading. So some people, if we are suggesting that, or if anyone is seeing that market can go down, so what you have to do, you just see if lows are breaking, so market will be targeting this gap. So you have to just wait for this gap to be filled. Okay, as soon as this gap is filled, you just take the exit from the put option and just wait for the market to give the direction. So this is how you have to trade. After this gap fill, we can again witness the market can be given the short rally upside. Okay, so this is the view for the Nifty and Sensex for the tomorrow as per the monthly analysis. Okay, and the second is the silver and gold currently. Now, first of all, we are going to see the silver chart. So currently, you can see here on the daily time frame basis or bigger time frame, what you are witnessing, that silver is basically making a bearish candle, and we have closed below the first candles. Okay, we have broken the first candle low also. So this shows what, on the bigger time frame the silver is becoming little bearish. But how can we say that this can be breaking downside if silver is breaking this lows? Okay, if silver breaks this lows, okay, today's lows, which is very important, so we can witness some good fall in this downside, which will take silver to the 2 lakh and 2 lakh 10,000 levels. Otherwise we will again see the sideways range, and after this sideways we will again witness what, upside only in the, as per the trend analysis or as per the rally based drop rally. Okay, so this is how we have to make our view currently. So currently what is the important for the silver, which is silver, that is these two lines which I have marked. Okay, if the silver any candle of 4 hours, if it is closing below this line, so it will be going for the downside, you have to mark it. If it is closing above this one, so we have to see more upside in the up. Now again, the main thing is closing basis. Okay, there should be a closing of bigger time frame like 2 hour or 1 hour candle should be closing above this or above this to take that side upside, or to take that downside trade. Okay, otherwise don't take respective trade. Now what is the next? The next is our very important, natural gas. So in natural gas, what you are witnessing currently, in natural gas we have already suggested one view for the NG, that was the bull issue. Okay, from the bullish view we have said that we can expect some good or we can expect some downside. As you can see, upside movement we have got, but after this upside movement we have again got the downside. So this is how rally, again correction, again we are going to witness upside. So if market is again going to break this high, so we will witness first target and second target by tomorrow. And you can see the structure of this. Okay, market is like this. Okay, so what this kind of structure is, basically the base has been formation has been created, and after this base creation market is going for ready for giving the upside breakout. Okay, so you have to be ready for the markets to give the upside breakout or downside for the NG. Okay, now we will move towards our another commodity, that is our gold. So in the gold currently what is going on? The gold is currently at which levels, which is can be seen as a previous closing we have already closed. Okay, so today gold has closed upside, and after the upside we can see some correction from the upper levels, and after this correction from the upper levels we have again got what, some pullback from the previous day's closing. So now what is the view for the gold? You can see the gold has been fallen back to back in the 30 minute. We have broken the lows, and after this lows breaking we are again retesting. So if can be possible that after this retest again if gold want to break this lows, so gold will be sideways here and it can break again the lows, and it will target this downside, that is this levels. Okay, that is previous openings. Okay, the day before yesterday's opening. After this you have to be very careful for the gold and silver to what, to do long here. Okay, don't go long if the gold is closing in red. Okay, currently, so we are seeing currently a red candle in the daily time frame, so we have to some wait and watch action currently in this gold. Okay, so that's all. And another one is the crude oil. So from the crude oil we just don't want to trade currently crude oil. It's basically a sideways, so I will neglect it. So it's better to wait and watch for the crude oil. Okay, so bye bye guys, have a nice and good night. Bye bye, take care.